Today we'll talk about how can you disable this sign or know how you can do that on your LinkedIn Learning app. All you have to do, just go down, click on my Learning down here. So then you come to this list, you click on your name, then it's going to take you to your profile, then you go above this sign, click on it. So then come to this list here and you go down and you click here on account settings. So then come to this list, you just switch into open video. It's going to take a time. So then you click on notifications and come to this list, you click here on news and reports. So then you click here on reports and insights here. Then it's going to take you to this list. Then you come here to alert reports and insights notifications. Click in this sign of this color, like you see color, it's gone. That's mean alert reports and insights notifications disable with us now. That's all you have to do. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to support us by liking.